Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert handwriting to text. It is 100% free. Let me show you how to convert your handwritten text into text format for Word or Docs or any other purpose. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just open and I have scanned my image, that is my text image. I have scanned with a phone and this is my text. So it has a text and I have two text options. So I want to convert this image into text format. What I have to do? It is a simple and easy step. Just open your Google and you have your personal Gmail account. Just click here the application, that is application 9 dots in your Chrome browser. So just scroll down, you will get an option called Drive. So once you go to Drive, so automatically the Google Drive will open here. So you need to upload that image, then only you can able to convert. So what you have to do, so just right click on that Google Drive, you will find option called upload file, upload folder. So now I would like to upload the file. Just click here. So you have downloaded the file in the download page, because I have taken photo from my mobile phone, so I have uploaded in my email. So just click here this image and just click open. Automatically that file will be uploaded into Google Drive. As you see, this is my text, that is image I have written, that is I converted into image. So now I can change this written image into text format. What I have to do, so just right click on that image and just go to open with and Google Docs. So once you select open with Google Docs, any other images which has the text means automatically Google Docs will convert that image into text format. So just scroll down, you will get the text. What about you? What about you? So an international handwriting, everything will be given here, so you can have all kind of things. If you have to miss any other handwritten spelling and grammar means, everything will be displayed over. So you can right click on that, you can change the outlines, everything. Yes, you just copy this and just go to Word and you can paste over here. So from your image, that is from your image to text format, you can copy and paste. So again I would like to share the same thing. So just right click on that, upload the file. So choose another image, because I want to show you. Just click here open. So automatically that file will be uploaded over here, my Google Drive. So just right click on that, because this is the image. Open with Google Docs. Once I open with Google Docs, that image as well as that converted text will be displayed down in my Google Docs. So as you see here, so with a text, so sincerely everything, whatever cursive writing, normal writing, whatever I did, everything will be converted into text format. It is a beautiful option Google Docs has provided. So you can copy from Google Docs, and if you want to use from your Word or same Google Docs, you want to format something, you can do according to your needs. So it is a beautiful option. So if you want to convert this file and give automatic colors, and you can increase the size, it's look like a text format. So if you have any other spelling and grammar errors, you can have a right click on that, you can make a spelling and grammar errors. So it's a beautiful option which came with a text from image, from your written image to text, it will be convert. It's a beautiful step. Use Google Drive and Google Docs. It is a beautiful option, beautiful tips. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.